Hello cuties. Now we see about the story The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time there was a little duckling who looked different from his brothers and sisters. He was called the ugly duckling because his feathers were grey and he did not fit in with the other ducklings. They made fun of him and did not want to play with him. Feeling sad and lonely, the ugly duckling decided to leave the farmyard in search of a place where he would be accepted. Along his journey, he faced many challenges and met animals who laughed at him. Winter came and he struggled to find food and stay warm. But one day in the spring, the ugly duckling saw a group of beautiful swans swimming in their font. He was amazed by their grace and elegance. He approached them expecting to be rejected like before. But instead, the swans welcomed him with open wings. To his surprise, he saw his reflection in the water and realized that he had grown into a magnificent swan himself. He was no longer an ugly duckling but a beautiful swan. Now the ugly duckling was happy because he found his true identity and a place where he belonged. He lived happily ever after with his new swan family. Understand that true beauty comes from within. Moral of the story: no matter how we look on the outside, what truly matters is who we are inside. Yes, chutties, true beauty is inner beauty. Thank you.